Today, we're creating an eye-catching multi-clone effect, a great way to duplicate your subject and add visual energy to your edits. It's especially awesome for music videos, dance clips, or any fast-paced footage. Let's get into it. Open your video project in InShot and tap on the clip you want to enhance. Next, hit Effect from the bottom toolbar. Now make sure you're in the Effect tab, then scroll over to AI Effects and select the Clone tab. From here, choose the Multi effect. You'll instantly see multiple copies of your subject appear on the screen. Now pay attention to the two sliders below. The value slider adjusts the distance between the clones. Slide it to the right to spread the clones out more, or to the left to bring them closer together. The angle slider lets you change the direction or rotation of the clone arrangement. Great for creating symmetrical or stylized layouts depending on your footage. Once you've fine-tuned the look, just tap the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've created a clean and stylish multi-clone effect in InShot using both distance and direction controls. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more bite-sized InShot tutorials.